Hello, this is another short and sweet video to kind of uncover kind of a command that kind of runs under the radar. Seems like a lot of users are asking for its ability but don't seem to know that it exists. And that is under Feature tab here, the Stretch Part Assembly. And you'll see it's grayed out right now because nothing's selected. But what I have here is just an assembly of blocks, just a basic frame here. And this could be any IntelliShapes, but they just happen to be blocks. And I can select that assembly and then click on Stretch Part Assembly. And you see right away this type command is selected, and I can pick a point on an edge, and it's going to put a plane up here and give me a direction arrow, and that direction arrow is going to show me what's going to stretch. So basically it's going to stretch everything on the right side of the plane by the dimension that I type in here, and I'll put in 100 millimeters and I'll just hit OK, and you see it stretches it out. So I can go in any direction I want. I can pick the assembly again, I can hit on stretch, and I can pick on the vertical edge, and you can see it's going down. I can click on this reverse surface orientation and toggle it to up and say I want to go up 200 millimeters and just hit OK, and you see it stretched up. And then I can come out in the front direction as well. I can click on there and it's there, and I can put in say 150 there and hit OK. And you can see I've quickly and easily stretched my entire assembly rather than having to come in to each individual block and stretch, resize each individual block individually. But you see all the sizes are updated. Everything gets updated and maintains its shapes. They're just stretched out. So just a quick little video there, nothing major, but just a quick time-saving feature that sometimes, like I said, goes under the radar. A lot of people forget that it exists because it's just sitting here on the feature toolbar, and very, very handy tool. So enjoy, and thank you very much.